Hi kids! Welcome back to Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Let's get ready to learn.
This is video series number 37. Boys and girls, we are here again to learn our new sound. But before we learn our sound, let us review all what we have done before. S, t, I, a, n, k, e, m, k, r, k, h, d, g, a, f, o, l, b, z, v, w, n, u, e, o, i, j, I, o, u, x, ch, sh, f, q, ow, oi. It's story time. Let us listen to the story as it is being read so we can learn our new sound. It is Samuel's birthday and he is having a party. First, Samuel and his friends play musical chairs. After that, a magician performs a magic show. He uses a magic wand and he has a big magic box with a unicorn on the side. The magician does a few tricks and then he asks for someone to help him. You, he says, pointing at Samuel. You are the birthday boy, he continues. Will you come and help me? Me? Asked Samuel. You, shout the children. Samuel helps the magician do a trick. He has to wave the magic wand and say, You, you, you. Right on cue, a rabbit pops out of under the magic table. After the magic show, they all go outside and have a barbecue. You, you, you. It's reading time. Let us read a few words with the U sound. Let's read it together. We have Q, rescue. It's your turn. Read these few words, and while you read them, have mommy or daddy record it and send it to your teacher. It's dictation time. I will call a few words for you and I would like you to write it in your books. First word, Q. Q. Second word, due. Due. Third word, value. Value. Fourth word, rescue. Rescue. Last word, statue. Statue. Very good, children.
We had so much fun today. Come back next time for more fun from Fostin's Little Learning Hub. Bye bye!